Mastering the phrase, set a date. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to explore a phrase that often pops up in both casual and formal conversations. Set a date. Understanding this phrase is not just about knowing its definition, but also about seeing how it fits into real-life situations. So, whether you're scheduling an event or planning a meeting, knowing how to use set a date is incredibly useful. Let's dive in. Set a date usually means to decide on a specific day for an event or action. It's like putting a pin on a calendar. It signifies commitment to that day for a particular purpose. But it's not just about picking a day. It's about agreeing on it with others. This phrase implies that there's some level of coordination or agreement involved. When using set a date, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, this phrase is versatile. It's used for everything from weddings to business meetings. Second, it's often used with other words that give more context. For example, let's set a date for our project meeting. Have you set a date for your wedding? In each case, the phrase is part of a larger sentence that clarifies what the date is about. To truly grasp set a date, let's look at how it works in different scenarios. Personal events. My fiancé and I need to set a date for our engagement party. Professional settings. The team will set a date for the next product launch. Casual planning. We should set a date to catch up. It's been too long. In each instance, the phrase is central to making plans. You might encounter some common questions or variations when using set a date. Here are a few. Can we set a date? Asking if it's possible to decide on a day. When should we set a date? Inquiring about the appropriate time to make this decision. Is the date set? Checking if the decision has already been made. There you have it, the ins and outs of the phrase, set a date. From personal to professional contexts, this phrase is a staple in planning and organizing events. Remember, setting a date is more than marking your calendar. It's about coordination and commitment. We hope this video has shed light on how to use set a date effectively in your English conversations. Happy planning, and see you in our next video.